Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite grilled short ribs. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our marinade. So for that we're going to be adding our apple pear into our blender cup, along with 5 small garlic cloves, and 1/4 of a cup of pineapple and its juice. And now we're just going to blend it all together until we have a smooth paste. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to transfer it to our bowl. And this is just going to tenderize our ribs. To that, we're also going to be adding our soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, spicy sesame oil, mirin, and fresh ginger, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Okay, so once we have it, you can taste it and see if you want to add a little bit more salt, or if you want it more sweet, add a little bit more brown sugar. But for me, this is perfect. So now we're going to get ready to pour it over our ribs. Because I'm going to be using my baking dish. Going to add some of the marinade. And begin to layer the rib. And this marinade is going to be good for 3 to 4 pounds, but just make sure that they get all nice and coated. Add some onion, add more ribs, and it doesn't matter how you do it, just make sure that they get fully coated. I'm going to pour the rest of my marinade and the rest of my onion. Okay, and I'm just going to cover it with plastic wrap. Okay, I'm going to place it in my refrigerator and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 6 hours. Okay guys, so here I have my ribs that I previously marinated. So now we can get ready to begin cooking them. Okay, so I'm going to be removing my ribs from the marinade. And at this point, you can begin to get your grill ready. Once we remove the ribs from the marinade, we're going to transfer the marinade to a saucepan. This is going to become our barbecue sauce. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to come to a full boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium and allow our sauce to thicken up. This will take between 12 to 15 minutes. Just make sure to stir it occasionally to prevent it from burning. We now have our barbecue sauce, so it should have thickened up. So once we have that, now we can begin to cook our ribs. Okay, so I have my grill ready. It is nice and hot. So I'm going to grab my ribs and begin to place them on the grill. We're going to cook the ribs for 3 to 5 minutes per side, flip occasionally, and add sauce before each flip. Okay, and after the minute, our ribs are done. And just look at that. And of course, if you like them more cooked, then you can allow them to continue cooking. But just like that, they're perfect. Now we're just going to allow them to rest, and then we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and after allowing your ribs to rest for at least 10 minutes, now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, so delicious. You know, the only thing is just waiting for the meat to marinate, but I'm telling you that it is so worth it. And of course, you know, the longer you allow it to marinate, the better it is for your ribs. But hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And I need my little onion. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious grilled short rib recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.